The Anglican Sunday School Association, Accra Diocese, held its annual Diocesan rally at the grounds of St. Paul Anglican Church in La. In attendance were enthusiastic Sunday school pupils from the various Archdeaconries, Accra West, Accra East, Accra North, Accra North East, Accra North West, and the cathedral deanery. The children came together in a spirit of unity and celebration, proudly showcasing their team spirit, talent, and creativity. Vibrant colors filled the air, adding to the festive atmosphere and making the event a visual delight. According to Sunday School representative Miss Angela, the colors were chosen to represent different values and themes important to our faith and community.
The colors talks about Archdeaconry. So the Archdeaconry you are, and then the color you represent. So me, for instance, I'm from Accra East Archdeaconry, and then we are the color blue. The best Archdeaconry, yes, we are color blue, the best. We have yellow, we have orange, we have ash, we have so many colors. But then I'm from Accra East Archdeaconry, and then we are some of the churches there are St. Augustine's Nugua. I'm from St. Augustine's Nugua. We have St. Barnabas Osu. We have St. Paul's here. We have St. Peter's Nugua as well, and Holy Gabriel's, yes.
Mr. Special, the event organizer, shared his expectations for the day, emphasizing the importance of fellowship and learning.
So far, it's been so good. We love the children, and then taking up this mantle is God's will, so we are going on with it. With the rally, we do it every year, June, specifically. Then in August, we go for camp. Sometimes we go to Elwak, and then sometimes we come to La. We chose La this year because Elwak is there though, but we need bigger space. La has a bigger compound for us to come here. And here we can have our bouncy castle, and it's like enclosed area, same as Elwak.
The Assistant President, Mr. Williams, echoed the sentiment, highlighting the role such gatherings play in nurturing the spiritual growth of the children.
It's always been a fun to be at rally. Looking at the faces of the children, you see more excitement. Yes, last year's rally was held at the Elwak Sports Stadium, but this year's own is being held at the church, that is St. Paul. It gives the children the opportunity to have a feel at the church premises to see what happens there. As for the fun, the children are having a lot of fun. You can see from their faces. Some don't even want to go. Some we have to sack them from the game area, like the bouncing castle, as you can see. We have a lot of the children there. So they are having fun. Comparing this year to last year's own, I would say this year's program, it's picking on. We are yet to finish it, so we can have a full assessment at the end of the day.
And of course, the children themselves were thrilled to be part of the celebration, laughing, learning, and making memories together. The event concluded with a sense of accomplishment and joy, leaving everyone eagerly anticipating the next rally. With its vibrant colors, joyful energy, and strong sense of community, the Anglican Sunday School Association's Children's Rally was truly a memorable and inspiring event.